What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Red Moonlight by WRLD. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, or else your mom's a hoe. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new guitar, so if you want to find out how you can enter to win, stick around to the end of the video, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay guys, this song is in standard tuning and it's got one riff that just repeats throughout the entire song. As always, if you need the guitar tab, you can find it in the video description. So if you need it, jump into the video description. Once you get done, the guitar tab will be there for you. You're gonna start with index finger on the 7th fret of the A string, ring finger on the 9th fret of the D string, and then you're gonna be playing 7 to 8 on the B string. So you're gonna pick A, D, and then 7 on B, hammer on to 8. Then go down to 3 on A, and you're picking almost the exact same, it's very similar patterns, right? So 3 on A, 5 on D, 3, 2, 5 on high B. Then 3 on low E, 5 on A, and then 2 to 4 on G. And then 5 on A, pluck it twice, 2, 2nd fret to 4th fret on the D string. So altogether, slowly, that first part looks like. So now for the rest of the riff, we're going to play that entire same thing again, the exact same way, except when you get to the final chord progression, the final chord, instead of, you're just going to strum 5 on A, 4 on D. So altogether, it looks like. There you have it, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please click that like button. You can click here for how you can win a free guitar. You can click here for more tutorials, and we'll see you guys in the next video.